everyone, welcome back to JD Technologists, your one-stop destination for clear and simple tech learning. Today, we're diving into a super important topic in cloud computing, the types of cloud services, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. If these terms sound confusing, don't worry, we'll break it down in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. Before we jump into the different flavors of cloud services, let's take a step back. Let's talk about what cloud computing actually is. Cloud computing is fundamentally changing how we use technology. At its core, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and software over the internet. Instead of everything living on your computer's hard drive, it lives in a network of data centers, the cloud. Think of it like this: you're basically renting resources from a company that does all the heavy lifting when it comes to storage, processing power, you name it. The beauty of this is the flexibility it gives you. Need more storage? Bam, you got it. Need more processing power for a specific task? The cloud's got your back. And the best part? You only pay for what you use. This is where those three letters come in: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. First up, we've got IaaS, short for Infrastructure as a Service. Imagine this. You're building your dream PC, right? You handpick the processor, the RAM, the storage, everything. You're in complete control. That's IaaS, but instead of physical parts, you're picking virtual hardware. You get servers, storage, networking, all the good stuff, but it lives in the cloud. Think of companies like AWS with their EC2 instances, Microsoft Azure's virtual machines, Google Cloud's compute engine. These are all about giving you the building blocks. You get the flexibility to scale up or down as needed, and you only pay for what you use. That's IaaS in a nutshell. Alright, so you've built your dream PC in the cloud with IaaS. Now it's time to actually do something with it. That's where PaaS comes in, Platform as a Service. Think of PaaS like this. You walk into a restaurant, and instead of ordering a la carte, you go for the chef's tasting menu. PaaS is that chef's tasting menu for developers. You get a ready-to-go platform, complete with the operating system, the programming languages, the databases, everything you need to build, test, and deploy your applications. Platforms like Google App Engine, Heroku, Microsoft Azure App Services, they all fall under PaaS. You can push out updates faster, collaborate more easily, and focus on what really matters, your code. And finally, we have SaaS, the most common type of cloud service you probably use every single day without even realizing it. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Think of all those apps and services you use on a daily basis. Your email, your music streaming, your project management tools, chances are they're powered by SaaS. You don't download anything, you don't install anything, you just log in and go. Gmail, Google Docs, Microsoft Office 365, Zoom, the list goes on and on. With SaaS, the cloud provider handles everything: the application, the data, the servers, the security, the updates. Just pure, uninterrupted productivity. IaaS versus PaaS versus SaaS, the pizza analogy. Okay, I know we've covered a lot, so let's simplify things even further. Think of it like ordering a pizza, right? With IaaS, you're basically buying all the ingredients, the dough, the sauce, the cheese, everything. You're in charge of making the pizza from scratch. With PaaS, you're getting a pre-made base. You get to choose your toppings, but you don't have to worry about making the dough from scratch. And with SaaS, you're getting the pizza delivered straight to your door, hot and ready to eat. Hopefully this analogy gives you a clearer picture of how these three cloud service models stack up. Cloud services, your gateway to the future. So there you have it, folks. The cloud demystified. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. They're not just fancy acronyms, they're the building blocks of the modern internet. From the apps you use every day to the complex systems powering businesses around the world, the cloud is changing how we live, work, and play. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the cloud. It's the future, and it's here to stay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JD Technologists. Drop a comment below if you want us to explain any other tech concept. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay techie.